So here is something that a lot of people really don't seem to understand about insurance. And everything I'm going to tell you right now is from me working 4 years as an adjuster. So the biggest thing that I've come to understand while working in this industry is that a lot of people do not understand how insurance really works, right? Like before going into this industry, I used to think, oh yeah, insurance will take care of you when when a bad thing happens. And the reason why I believe that is because the carriers that my parents were and still are with had really great agents and really great adjusters that actually cared for them. And I saw how well they treated my parents after after the house caught fire, and this was 20 years ago. But nowadays, with what I've witnessed and what I had to really do as an adjuster, I've come to find out that a lot of people really don't understand how their policy works out. Like a lot of people think, oh, okay, if I were to get in a car wreck and I had a total loss, then insurance will fully pay for it. No, it does not. They will not. I've worked probably well over 200 total loss claims back when I worked auto. Not a single insured that had a total loss were able to fully get the price of the car they paid for. And a lot of that is very much true, especially if you have a lien on that property. Now, with regards to your home, when you have a pipe burst, your insurance carrier, per your policy, it does not pay for plumbing. You have to pay for plumbing out of pocket. Now, what insurance will pay for is they will pay for all the insuring damages. So, like, let's say you get a pipe burst upstairs and it floods all upstairs and downstairs and through your ceiling. It'll pay for those damages, but again, it will not pay for the pipe itself being burst. But one damning thing I found is that whenever I write estimates or write supplements, right, whenever we use our estimating program, we can only put things down for the standard piece and not anything that's any better unless it actually is that. Like, let's say, for example, you have a light fixture that needs to be removed and replaced. Instead of putting down like the best possible feature in the estimating program, we have to put down only the standard light fixture just to save costs. The main thing that a lot of people really don't understand, whenever you deal with an adjuster, they work in the interest of the insurance carrier and not the policyholder. What I challenge anyone that looks at this to do, I strongly suggest that you read your policy first, and so you can really get a good understanding. I mean, since we have AI bots right now like ChatGPT, I would say get a digital copy of your policy and run it through ChatGPT or whatever AI bot that you use to figure out what exactly is covered and what isn't. And if you do have an incident like a fire, pipe burst, wind, do that. And when you talk to your adjuster, be sure to ask certain questions regarding your policy, because anything regarding your policy should matter.